Psychological benefits of water bodies. 1. Stress reduction. The sight and sound of water are inherently calming, reducing cortisol levels and diminishing stress and anxiety. 2. Enhanced mood and well-being. Proximity to water can elevate mood, increase happiness, and foster a sense of general well-being, combating symptoms of depression and negative mood. 3. Improved concentration and creativity. Being around water can enhance focus, creativity, and problem-solving abilities, offering a mental reset from cognitive fatigue. 4. Increased physical activity. Blue spaces encourage physical activities like swimming, kayaking, and walking along the shore, contributing to physical health and mental clarity. Scientific evidence.